To tie a friendship bracelet with one looped end. Make the loop by folding the bracelet in half before you start weaving it. Tie a knot in the threads of the bracelet about 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters down from the loop. Once you've finished weaving the bracelet, split the remaining threads into 2 groups and braid each of them. Knot the end of each braid. To make an adjustable closure, lay the bracelet on a flat surface and fold the loop back behind the knot at the top. You should now have 2 smaller loops. Squeeze them together like you're closing the pages of a book. Pull the braids at the end through the 2 smaller loops. Then, pull the other end of the bracelet to tighten the loops around the braids. Slide the braids through the loops in either direction to adjust the length of the bracelet.